in your day. Hello, good morning.
Then,
Good morning.
good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Hi. Good morning. My name is Teacher John, and I will be your teacher for the whole term in science class. Right? Let's wait for the others, okay? 21, 22.
ใครที่ยังไม่ได้เปลี่ยนชื่อซูมของตัวเองเป็นชื่อจริงนะคะให้นักเรียนเปลี่ยนชื่อเป็นชื่อจริงภาษาอังกฤษด้วยนะคะเพื่อที่ครูจะได้ทำการเช็คชื่อได้เนาะเพื่อประโยชน์ต่อตัวนักเรียนนะคะ
Come on, don't try.
ออโต้
Photo.
คุณดูนะใครเขียนกระดาษเลยมีชื่อขึ้นนะ
Can you see my PowerPoint? Can you see my PowerPoint? Yes or no? No. Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes.
That's good. 24. Let's start now. Okay. First, a minute. So again, good morning. My name is Teacher John, and I will be your science teacher. All right. So first, nutrition and digestion. Get your book and open it on pages 1, 2.
ไม่ใช่อังกฤษแต่เป็นเซน
Again.
วิชาไซแอนค่ะ
Science book. Science book. Pages 1 to 6. Or 1 to 5.
อ้าว
Nutrition and digestion. Okay.
นี่ชุบเอาผ้าชุบน้ำมาหน่อยครับ
Okay. So first, nutrition and digestion. In nutrition and digestion, we have the nutrients. So what is the meaning of nutrients? It is a substance that provides nourishment essential for growth and the maintenance of life. So we can get nutrients from the food that we eat. Okay. Do you like to eat food? Anyone? No? No? No one's answering? Okay, so what are the different types of nutrients? We have 6 types of nutrients. First is the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, vitamins, and minerals. Do you have any ideas about these 6 types of nutrients? Anyone? What's the meaning of carbohydrates? You can see it in your book. Hello? Where are they not answering? Yes. Okay. So, first, carbohydrates. Our body's main source of energy. So there are two main types of carbohydrates. We have the sugar and starch. So carbohydrates, these are the food that we can get most of our energy. Firstly, the sugar. Sugar, we can get it from the desserts, the soft drinks and fruit juices, fruits and sweets. So if you like to eat sweets, you can get a lot of sugar or you can get your carbohydrates. Also, the foods that rich in starch, like the bread, cereals, pasta, rice, potatoes, beans, and chestnuts. Okay, natakit? What's your question? Yeah, we remove it. Next, fiber. Fiber is a types of carbohydrates that cannot be broken down the body. Okay, it helps prevent constipation. So what is constipation? It is the problem or difficulties in bowel movements. So if you don't eat fiber, you will get constipation or you will go to the toilet most of the time. So fiber, these are the fruits and vegetables rich in fiber. We have the banana, orange, carrots, and broccoli. Question? Do you have questions? Do you have questions? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, next is the third one is the proteins. It is a substance that is composed of amino acids and is found in many foods, particularly meat. So the body needs it for growth, repair, and to build muscles. The body can also use proteins to produce energy when it lacks carbohydrates and fats. So this protein, it will help us for our growth, repair, and to build our muscles. These are the foods that rich in protein. We have the meat, eggs, beans, and nuts. Fourth one, fats. Any of the numerous compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen that make up most of animal or plant fats and that are important to nutrition as sources of energy. We can get also energy here, but not that high. So these are the foods that are rich in fats. We have the avocado, butter, oil, and cheese. Question? Do you have questions?
No.
Oh. Next, water. So water is the fourth one. So water is the cheapest and most abundant type of nutrient. 70% of the human body is made of water. Water is needed to transport nutrients to the different parts of the body. It removes waste from the body also. It helps to regulate body temperature through sweating. It helps to convert food into energy. So water is one of the most important part of the nutrients. If we don't drink a lot of water, we will not get most of the nutrients. And do you know that in each day, we have to drink 2 liters of water, at least 2 liters of water, or 8 glasses of water. Next, vitamins. Any of a group of organic compounds which are essential for normal growth and nutrition are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot produce by the body. So these are the vitamins that we can get. First one is the fat-soluble vitamins. It's a type of vitamins which will not be lost when the foods that contain them are cooked. So the body does not need these vitamins every day and stores them in the liver and adipose or the fat. Okay, tissue when not used. Example of these vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, and K. So we have 4 only for the fat-soluble vitamins. So fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed along with fats in the diet and are stored in the body's fatty tissue and in the liver. They are found in many plant and animal foods and in dietary supplements. So vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble. So what are these vitamin A? We can get it from the sweet potato, carrots, sweet peppers, and apricots. So what is vitamin A? It helps in maintaining good vision, good for overall growth and development of teeth, skin, white blood cells, and the mucous membrane.
ตายไงแม่
จะเอาอะไรทำยังไง
มันเอามีด
ไม่เป็นไร
มีดดาบอะให้มันแทงไปตายเนี่ยมันจะเอาของเล่นอะของเล่นเรื่องของเด็ก
ไอเน็ตมึงอย่าดิอย่าดิเพื่อนเน็ตลืมปิดไมค์หรือเปล่า
Okay, next, vitamin D. We can get vitamin D from tuna, salmon, sardines, and mackerel. So what is vitamin D? Essential for the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. Also helps in the maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. Next is vitamin E. We can get it from wheat germ, avocado, spinach, butternut, and squash. Okay. So helps to produce free radicals in the body and thus prevents the development of diseases as it is a powerful antioxidant. It also helps in balancing hormones and cholesterol levels. Next one, the vitamin K. We can get it from collard greens, parsley, grapes, hard-boiled eggs. It helps the blood to clot. It's also essential for the bone and heart health. Questions? Any question? Okay. The next type of vitamin is the water-soluble vitamins. These are those that are dissolved in water easily and readily absorbed into tissues for immediate use because they are not stored in the body. They need to be replenished regularly in our diet. So we have to eat this every day. The first one, we have the thiamine, B1, folate, vitamin B12, vitamin C, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, and niacin, B3, and riboflavin, B12. So these are the vitamins that easily, okay, easily absorbed or easily or immediate for the immediate use. Next, last one, the minerals. A mineral is a chemical element required as an essential nutrients by organisms to perform function necessary for life. So these are the list of minerals and their functions. First, the calcium, required for vital cellular functions, promotes stronger teeth and bones. Phosphorus helps make energy and protein for repairing damaged cells and tissues. Magnesium, essential for metabolic processes, muscle, and nerve function. Sodium helps maintain blood pressure levels and proper blood volume. Potassium, regulate fluid balance, nerve signal, and muscles contractions. Chloride, an electrolyte that helps keep fluid balance and proper blood pressure. And lastly, sulfur, necessary for insulin production, keep proteins, and protect cells from damage. Do you have any questions? Oh, okay. I have a question. I have questions. So, are you ready? Yes or no? Oh, why are you not answering? So what is carbohydrates? Can you give me the meaning?
Carbohydrates are the body main source of energy.
Okay, good. Can you give me examples of carbohydrates? Can you give me examples of carbohydrates, please? Do you want me to call one by one? Go. Examples of carbohydrates, please.
Rice, potato, bread, or noodles.
Okay. Next. What is proteins? Proteins. What is proteins? You can get your answer on your book on page 3. Open your book. The answers are on page 3.
Your body needs protein for growth and repair to build muscle.
Very good. Can you give me examples?
The nuts, egg, or meat.
Very good. Next one, what is fats? Page 4. Page 4 of the book. What is fats? Page 4 of the inside
Fats
outside.
are also source of energy which keep us warm.
Okay. Give me examples of fats.
Oil, butter, and cheese.
Okay. Next, water. What is water? Only not.
Water needs to transport nutrients different parts of the body and also help to remove the waste from the body.
Very good. Vitamins. What is vitamins?
We use vitamin to grow and work properly.
Good. Can you give me example of vitamin? Give me one only. The vitamin that you can remember. The vitamin that you can remember. I'll show you. Vitamin. We have four only, four vitamins. We have A, D, E, and K. Next, minerals. What is the meaning of minerals?
The body needs minerals to work properly. Calcium, iron, and potassium are examples of minerals. They work differently to keep the body healthy.
Okay, give me examples of minerals.
Calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur.
Very good. Only none. Okay. I will remember your name, Non. Non Bunyachai. Am I correct? Bunyachai. Okay. So now, get your inside out workbook and we will answer it now. Turn on your camera, please. Turn on your camera. Go. Turn on your camera, please.
คนกดจ้องด้วยค่ะ
Ah. Good girl. That's it. Turn on your camera, everyone. If you want to say something, you can unmute. Okay.
ไม่มีกล้องไม่เป็นไรค่ะ คนที่มีกล้องเปิดกล้องหน่อยค่ะ
Yes, please. Yes. Nice. You can see your kids' faces. You're beautiful and handsome. Okay, so open your workbook on page 1. Page 1 of the book. Okay. So the first one, types of nutrients. Match each food with the type of nutrients that is enriched in. Then match each type of nutrients to its function. First, what is this? What is the first picture? Butter. Okay. So what is butter? Carbohydrates, fats, or proteins?
Fats.
Fats. Okay. Now you connect the dot to the fats. Okay. Oops. Next, fats. What is the meaning of fats?
For energy and function body organ.
Okay. So you will connect it like this. Okay. Oh. From this to this. Okay. And then fats here to here. Understand? Next, this one, fish. What is fish? Where fish belongs to?
Protein.
Okay. Fish is belong to protein. So here to here. Next, what is the meaning of proteins?
Help in muscle growth.
Okay, helps in muscle growth. Lastly, rice. Rice is a type of
Carbohydrate.
carbohydrates. Carbohydrates carbohydrate is what?
Act as the body main energy source.
You got it? Next one. Fill in the blanks with the words below. We have here the water, minerals, fiber, calcium, starch, and vitamins. Calcium and potassium are examples of
Minerals.
that the human body needs in small amounts.
Minerals.
Okay, so the answer here is minerals. Next one. More than half of the body is made up of?
Water.
Very good. Next one. Blank is an example of carbohydrates that is not broken down by the body.
Fiber.
That is by
Fiber.
clear. Okay. Finish.
Yes.
Okay. What is that? Okay. Next. This one. Balanced diets. So the table below shows that Yada and Ying had for lunch. So Yada's lunch has a bowl of French fries, a piece of fried chicken, a piece of fried fish, and a can of cola. While Ying's lunch has a bowl of rice, boiled carrots and spinach, and a cup of apple juice. So Yada's lunch does not provide him enough nutrients. Which group of nutrients is lacking in his lunch? Letter B. Name one function of the nutrients mentioned in A. C. Which group of nutrients is lacking in Ying's lunch? Name, or letter D, name one function of the nutrients mentioned in C. Understand? I will let you answer it on your own. You can base your answer on your book. Gonna give you 5 minutes to answer it. Four minutes. Three minutes.
Rồi mà ba này mà cái trời ngủ cái trời
ทำไมอ่ะ
นี่อ่ะดูคู่กับอันนี้ไปนี่ไงดูชื่อคนนี้พี่คนเก๋คิดไหมยังลูกคิดไหมยังคิดนัดแล้ว
Page 3, okay? Page 3 of your workbook. 2 minutes. Are you finished? Non, are you finished? All right. What's the answer for letter A? Yada's lunch
Vitamin and minerals.
is lacking of
Vitamin and minerals.
vitamins and minerals. Are you sure?
Sure.
He can get minerals from the fried fish. So the answer here is vitamins only, right? So Yada's lunch does not provide him enough nutrients. Which group of nutrients is lacking in his lunch? So it means one only. One kind of nutrients or one type of nutrients is lacking in his lunch. So the first one is a bowl of French fries is in carbohydrates. A piece of fried chicken is in protein. A piece of fried fish is in minerals. And a can of cola is what? Also carbohydrates. So he's lacking of vitamins only because Yada doesn't have his fruits and vegetables. All right, so the answer here is vitamins. Okay, he is lacking of vitamins. So name one function of the nutrients mentioned in A. What is the function of the nutrients? You can get your answer from your book. Nutrients is what? Nutrients is what? Nutrients, vitamins. Sorry. Vitamins.
Body needs vitamins to grow and work properly.
All right, so the answer is the body needs vitamins to grow and work properly. Full stop. You understand? Okay. Next. Which group of nutrients is lacking in Ying's lunch? So in Ying's lunch, he has a bowl of rice, boiled carrots and spinach, and a cup of apple juice. A bowl of rice is carbohydrates. Boiled carrots and spinach is in vitamins and minerals. A cup of apple juice is where? Same. The vitamins and minerals. Okay? Or in carbohydrates also because apple juice is in sugar. So what are the nutrients that are lacking in Jim's lunch?
Proteins and fats.
Again?
Proteins and fats.
Okay, so she is lacking with proteins and fats. Now, name one function of the nutrients mentioned in C. Example, proteins. What is the function of protein and what is the
Proteins
function
help
of...
in muscle growth.
Okay, so let's use the protein. Protein in the body needs protein for growth and repair. Okay. Oh, don't forget to write the full stop, okay? Are you finished?
No.
No. Or you can also write the function of the fats. What is the function of the fats?
It's body warm.
Again, please.
It's body warm.
Okay. Keeps our body warm. Okay. That's where can I put it? Put it here. Keeps our body warm. All right. Are you finished?
Finish.
Everybody finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I will clear all the drawings here. Let's go back to the first. Again, huh? Tell me the answers. What is this? What is the first picture?
Butter.
Butter. Butter is what?
Fat.
Fats. And then what's the meaning of fats?
Fat.
For energy and nutrition. Body organ.
So energy and cushion. Body organ.
Okay. Next is fish. Fish is proteins. Help in
Help in
muscle
muscle
growth.
growth.
Rice is carbohydrates. Act.
Acts as the body main energy source.
Okay. Next, calcium and potassium are examples of blank that
Minerals.
Mineral.
okay, minerals. More than half of the body is
Water.
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 water,
Blood is an example of
Fiber. Fiber.
fiber,
that is not broken down by the body, so that is fiber. Next, this one. Bananas lunch does not provide him enough nutrition.
Vitamins.
vitamin,
That's vitamins. Name one function of the nutrients mentioned in the
so
D needs vitamin to grow and work properly.
Okay, which group of nutrients is lacking in means lunch?
ทำอะไร
Proteins and fats.
Okay, what is the function? Name me one.
Protein helps in muscle growth and fat gets body warm. Keep body warm.
Very good.
หมูคอดอย่าไปเยี่ยม
That's it.
เอาไปทำไมไม่
Did you
เป็นรองเท้าอะ
learn anything today? Did you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we'll see you next week. Understand? You understand?
Yes.
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 Okay. So goodbye. See you next week. Enjoy.
Bye.
บ๊ายบายเชื่อ
Goodbye. Keep safe, everyone.
บ๊ายบายบ๊ายบาย
Goodbye. Keep safe.
บ๊ายบาย
see you again next time บ๊าย
Okay.
บาย
Oh, wait.
คน
Turn on your camera.
กล้องหน่อยค่ะขออนุญาตถ่ายรูป
Okay, we will have our picture. Turn your camera, please. Turn on. Turn on your camera. Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. 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 Okay. Okay, goodbye.
เริ่มคลาสได้ค่ะ
Go to your next class.